Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a payment method to your OKX account. You're going to learn how you can add your bank details, your bank accounts to your OKX account so that you can be able to receive funds whenever you're doing P2P or any other transaction on your OKX account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that would tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to go over to your OKX app, tap on it to open it. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see my OKX app is opening. So guys, once your OKX app opens up and you've logged into your OKX account, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see P2P trading. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, under this P2P, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see profile. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it on the right hand corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, under your profile, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. And what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see payment. You can see there, that's the first option, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here. OKX does not process your buyer's payment. Always check your payment account to confirm that you have received your full amount. Add a payment account under your name. Using someone else's account may lead to order cancellation and account suspension. So guys, what you have to do is to make sure that the payment method or the account number that you want to input here has your name and has your information. So guys, now you can see what's written down there. You haven't added any payment methods. Add a payment method using your rename. So guys, now for you to add a payment method, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see add now. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written there, add payment method. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose your country's currency. Then you have to go over to the next one, which is payment method. So guys, now let me tap on the first option, which is select currency. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to search out your local currency, the currency that you want to always receive your money, your funds. So guys, now let me just type USD. Let me type USD, United States dollar, USD. So guys, now let me select it. That's what I want to use. Just search out your own local currency. Your currency might be any other one, anyone that your country is using. So guys, now let me go over to the next option, which is payment method. Let me tap on the drop down icon to select my payment method. So guys, now you can see there are so many payment methods right here. You can see payee, there are so many of them. So guys, now the one I want to use in this tutorial today is bank transfer. So let me look for bank transfer. So guys, now you can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me select it right away. So guys, now you can see I've selected bank transfer. So guys, now you can see I've selected my currency, which is USD, and also my payment method, which is bank transfer. If you look downwards now, you can see there are informations that we have to provide. You can see we have to provide our account name, our account number, our SWIFT BIC code, our bank name, and also branch name. So guys, now you can see we need to provide all of this information. So guys, now you can see my account name there. It has been added there automatically. That's because I've actually done my verification on OKX. If you've done your identity verification, OKX will have your name in their database. So guys, now what's left now is for account number, SWIFT code, bank name, and branch name. So guys, let me go ahead now to input this. What you have to do is to get yours and input them. So let me input them right away. So guys, now you can see I've added my USD account number. I've also added my SWIFT BIC code. I've also added the bank name, which is United Bank of Africa, and also I added the branch name. So guys, now you can see it right there. So guys, what you have to do right away after adding all of this information is to tap on where you can see add. You can see the button down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. Link your phone number to your account. We will send you a verification code to your phone number when you carry out a P2P trade. This helps to safeguard your P2P trades. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on link number. That's very important. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to add your phone number. So guys, let me add my phone number right there at the top. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me input it right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my phone number. So what I will do now is to tap on send code. You can see there on the right hand side the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now let me wait for the code. You can see code has been sent. So guys, now I've copied the code. So let me come here and paste it. Let me tap on where it is written enter code. And let me fill it real quick. So guys, now I've gotten my SMS code to link my phone number. So let me go ahead now to get my email code so that I can link my email as well. So let me tap on where it is written send code under the email section. So let me get the one for my email. 371158. So guys, let me input it right away. I've gotten the code. So guys, let me tap on confirm right away. I got both my SMS code and my email code. Wow guys, can see completed. So you need both your SMS code and your email code. So guys, now what I will do next is tap on add. So guys, now you can see the next step, enable passkeys. Use your face or fingerprints to verify is you. There is no need for a password. So guys, now if you want to do this, then you tap on enable, but if you don't want to do it, just tap on skip. But guys, I don't want to enable this now, but you can go ahead to enable yours. It's very important. Let me just tap on skip. So guys, now you can see the next step, security authentication. Here is another one again. The first one was just to link my phone number and my email, while this is for authentication. So guys, let me tap on send code for my email and also my SMS. Let me just get the email code first of all before I do for the SMS. So guys, now you can see I've gotten the code from my email address and also from my SMS. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, can see the notice payment method has been successfully added. Wow guys, you can see my payment method has been added. You can see it there, bank transfer, United Bank for Africa, which is my bank name. You can see, let me tap on details so I show you guys. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the details of my bank account, my payment method. So I can go ahead now to edit it if I want. But guys, I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually verify, how you can add your payment method on OKX, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you on the next upload. Bye. Peace.